Hello everyone, so today I'm going to remove this muffler from my bike with 390 2017 model DS4. First, listen to the stock sound. Now let's remove this muffler. To remove this muffler, all you need is this toolkit if you have, or if you don't have this toolkit, you can use Allen key of 6mm. You just need to undo this bolt, you can see, and after that it's free. And if you want to remove it from here, you can remove it from here or the other side. So let's just undo this first. It's hot, it's really hot right now. Now from the other side, you need to remove those two bolts, 1 and 2. Those. These two bolts need to be safe. This is how the bike looks without the exhaust. Let's hear the sound. Now let's see how does it sounds while riding from the GoPro. This is how it looks without the exhaust. It's looking too much naked now. Here's the sound. Get some public reaction and let's go to my friend's house to see his reaction as well. Let's move. Too loud, bro. Too fucking loud. आइदिन्छु घर प्यान्जर आयो प्यान्जर वाट्स यो रियाक्सन ल भन् ठुलो मान्छेको रियाक्सन चाहिन्छ कस्तो लाग्यो तपाईँलाई त्यसो
म त तर्सेँ क्या घरभित्र त
हजारवटा आवाज आइरहेको थियो
बन्दुक पर्खेर जस्तो आइरहेको छ